In the quiet folds of the Parvati River, a small stream finds its way down the mountain. Here, it simply flows. On the trail to Grahan Village, this narrow stream of water has been carving its path patiently long before any man followed its path. Every stone it touches is slowly and quietly reshaped. Such streams are easy to overlook, but they are the first lifelines of a river. They carry mountain snow, feed the forest, and whisper life into the valley below. Without them, great rivers would never be born. In the morning and again at dusk, the valley's small visitors arrive, drawn by nothing more than clean, moving water, at meeting place shared without a word. The stream will soon join the Parvati, its journey becoming a part of something bigger. But here, in this brief stretch of forest and stone, it remains what it has always been: soft, restless, and quietly essential.